I'm John Henderson, Group Brand Manager, Victor Industrial Gas Equipment. Today we want to talk about the new 400 series cutting attachment and handle. What we did is when we set out to develop a new product, we took a three-pronged approach. First thing we did was we consulted with an outside research firm to do a focus group study. Their goal was to work directly with end users and try to find out what are the key attributes that you're looking for as a user in a gas equipment product. The second thing we did is we took that information in conjunction with some of our distributors, went to the market and did field research. We took the same kind of information looking for, one, was that information that we got valid? And two, were there any other things that we didn't get when we did the study? The last thing that we did is worked with our distributors to try to see, are there any things that they're aware of that we haven't already explored? Once we had that, it was then time to put the project together and give it to our design team. Now, what you're going to hear them talk about are the key attributes that they tried to develop. What we heard from the end user was we needed a product that's more intuitive to operate, i.e., the operators that are there today are not quite as experienced as operators in the past, so they need something that is easier to operate. So that was one of the attributes. The other thing we heard is that most of the product that's used in this industry, it is a pretty difficult industry to work in. So working long hours, any way that you can make the product more comfortable or more easy to operate in their day-to-day work is going to be beneficial. Now it was time for the design team to deliver a product that specifically met the needs of the end user while continuing to maintain the heritage of safety, quality, and performance that has always been Victor.